Smart Measure. Smart Measure can get various measurement results based on the type of selected objects. When a point is picked, the coordinate information will be displayed. When 2 points are picked, you will get the minimum distance between them and the projection distances with different colors. When a line is picked, its length will be displayed. When a circle or arc is picked, you will get its radius and center coordinates. When picking 2 circles, you will get the distance between them with various methods. And you can display the necessary items by ticking the related boxes. What's more, it allows you to measure faces and solids. When a face is selected, you will get the perimeters and the area values. When a shape is picked, you will get the area, volume, and mass values. Smart Measure will make your measurement easier and more efficient. Let's have a try.